Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Motorola Edge 14. So now you have a problem with my headphones. I will install it from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button for a few seconds. Or maybe power button and volume up. Yes, and choose restart. Sorry about that. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated fire mode. How to do it, you will find the manual at your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel, so check it and make sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other phones. But it's still not on your phone. Go to the settings, slide down to the system, and go to the reset options. Tap on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on the reset settings. Confirm pattern, and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device again. You can also try to update your system in the above phone, I think, or maybe not. We can just tap on sorry about that. We can just type in the search bar the update, and we should find the desired option. And how you can see, you have Android security update. And now if you have any updates, just check it on the site and install it on your phone. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is visible for other devices, and which one making a problem here. And that's it. Oh, okay, sorry, there you have a system updates in the settings. So just open this section, tap on the check system update, and if you have any, just install it. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.